Hi, welcome to day 24 and today we will discuss about shallow and deep copy in Python. So this copying concept, before explaining the actual technical concepts, let's understand the real world scenario. Let's take you you like some heroes or you may like some heroines, you may like someone if you're a boy you like heroes, if you're a girl you like heroines and sometimes you will try to get dressed the same what they have dressed in some movies and are in some functions, whatever. You'll try to follow them, right? So in this way, so copying is also something like works in Python, but this shallow copy and deep copy works only for the nested elements, so nested lists. Okay, so whenever you have a list inside a list, that is called as a nested list. For that kind of list this will work. And what is the difference between shallow copy and what is the difference between and then the deep copy, so we will see in this video, and also how they work also we will see. So the agenda is simple. You have to understand what is shallow copy, what is deep copy, and how these are different from each other. And yeah, so without any delay, let's take an example and we'll do. Okay, so first, as already I said, we have to take a nested list. Okay, so I will take a list. This is one list. The list inside a list is called as nested list. In the first list, I will take 1 comma 2, and in another list, I will take 3 comma 4. Okay, so 3 comma 4. Now, basically, I have this a nested list. Now, to create a shallow copy, first you have to import copy package. Import copy, and after importing copy, the simple way is like L2. L2 is a shallow copy of L1. So L2 is equal to copy, this copy dot copy of whatever the object like L1. This is the list that we need to copy to the L2. So now if I print L1 and L2, print L2. So if we print, it will be same. So because I am copying, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do one thing. So now I will add L2 dot L2 of 0. I mean, for the zeroth, whatever the like zero index, I have a 1 comma 2 that in inner list. For that list, I will append 10. Okay. So if I add 10, if I print L2, what will be the output? First, we will see what will be the output of L2. Now, the output will be 1, 2, 10, 3, 4. But if I print L1, what should be the output? So the output should be 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, right? Why it's getting 1, 2, 10, 3, 4? Like as I'm I'm doing it for L2, but it is getting reflected in an L1 also. So what is the issue that I'm doing? So if I do it in a reverse order, what will happen? Let's check that also. See, it's happening. See, whatever, like whenever you create some copies, if you make changes in original, or else if you make changes in a copied one, so it will be reflected in both the list. Okay, which I don't want. Why? Because I don't want to have the same list in entire program. You need to have a different list, right? You cannot always deal with the same list again and again. So you will have some multiple lists. So for that, let's do one thing. So let's take deep copy. So now this is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So what deep copy will do, see, you create a copy, you can have a copy of me, but so whatever you want to do, you do it yourself. So whatever you will do, I am not related to that. I am separate, you are separate, but you just copying me and then you are implementing or you are making modification. That's your point. So to show that, let's take a variable. Let's take original. Original equal to a one nested list. 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I will have 4 comma 5 comma 6. This is the original one. Now let's take a deep copy. Okay. Deep equal to. So what is the deep? It is copy. Okay, copy dot deep copy. So basically copy is for just to, in this example I have used copy, which is basically we use for shallow copy, and we are going to use deep copy of this original. Okay, so I'm going to have a deep copy of original in a deep. Now let's do print. First let's print original and original as well as copy. Okay, that deep. Now the lists will be same. Why? Because I'm just initially I haven't done anything. So let's first comment this and we should not. Now let's again run this. Before that, let me clear here also. It will be clear for you also. See, I'm getting the same list. Okay. So now I will make changes to myself. I mean, for deep, I will make some changes. So I will do some changes. Deep dot, deep of uh, one dot. I mean, like I'm appending some values to this second nested list. Like this is a, I have a list. Inside that I have another two lists. This for whatever the index that I have in the one in the index one. For that, I'm going to add append 100 or 10. Okay, 10 is enough, or 100, whatever. So if I print this original, first I will print original and I will print deep also. See, the difference will clearly will get. So you are making changes to deep, okay, but you're not making changes to original. See, first, original and deep are same at initially. So I have made some changes to this whatever the copy that I have created, the deep copy that I have created from original. For that copy, I'm adding an element. Okay. Now again, I'm printing original. Original is same. It's not getting changed, but deep is changed. See. So now you like do whatever doesn't matter. Now let's try adding. So original zero dot append. Okay, I will append and I will add some values. Let's take 100. Now, will it reflect in both the, I mean, whatever the original I have, whatever the things I have, will it reflected? Just think. So basically, it will not happen. Why? Because you are different, I am different. So just you are copying me. Like NTR is NTR and Ramcharan is Ramcharan. Because in a function, they may plan and they had same class. In the next function, he will have different class, he will have different class, right? So here in the same thing happening. So original is whatever the original that is 1 2 300, okay, and 4 5 6, but this is not reflected in this deep. Okay, deep is as similar. So basically, the similar way is okay. I will try to put it in a easy way. Shallow copy works in such a way that okay, if I copy original, if any changes happen to me, it's like clear copy of me. Okay, and whatever I do, he will do. Okay, whatever I say, he will say. Okay, that's it. But deep copy is not something like that. Okay, you are same as me, but not till your death. You can see initially you are same as me. After that, you can do whatever you want. You can have girlfriends, you can go to pubs, you can do Python programming, you can do Java programming, you can do whatever you want. But you are not related to me. So you are something, you are different. And me, I can do whatever. Whatever I do, it will not be related to him also. So that's how. So I hope you understood this real world scenario. Okay. Same. Shallow is same. If anything, if someone, if he laughs, that another person, whatever the copy we have, he also laughs. If we cry, he will also cry. But let's take a deep copy. That is she and she. So if she laughs, she doesn't care. She is something different. So she can cry or she can dance. She can do whatever she want. So if this copy girl, I mean, this copy girl have multiple boyfriend, it doesn't affect her. She can stay single, she can marry, and she can have that kind of fun. So basically, they are different. Initially, they were same, but after that, whatever they want, they can do. So I hope you understood. So if in interviews you can say that shallow copies are whatever we modify in the copy in shallow copy. So if we do modifications in the copied one, it will be reflected in the original list also. But in the deep copy, so the deep copy and the original list will be different. If I make some changes in original, it will be not reflected in the copy one. And if I make some changes, any modifications in the copied one, it will be not reflected in the original. So which is opposite in shallow copy. So this is how this copy works, sir. You can say, you can explain in this way. So yeah. So this is the concept of copying, and it will be very useful whenever you are having a huge list, whenever you want to work a list. And keep practicing, keep working, have a clear idea, clearance about this copying concepts. I hope you understood and you will enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends. And we will see you in the next video with another exciting and some important concepts we'll discuss in the next video. Till then, see you. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.